Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to create a Google Meet room. Actually, it's really easy. You no need to install any apps in beside the Gmail. I know all of you already installed Gmail on your phone, even if your phone iOS or Android. Okay, so I will open my Gmail. Here my Gmail, and then on the right bottom here you can see there is an button written Meet. Okay, this is the Google Meet. And then here, if you want to create a new meeting, you can click this new meeting, and then there are several options. You can start an instant meeting, or you can schedule a meeting, and then later you can share the link to your family, to your friends, and so on. If you couldn't find this meeting, this meet on your Gmail, it should be you update your Gmail. Actually, it's really easy to update. You just go to your Play Store or the iOS App Store, and then after I click this start an instant meeting, and then you can opt in the notification. I choose not now,